I am now in the Aircraft Interior Exhibition here in Hamburg in 2026. There's nothing more that I want to see than just one thing. I think from the thumbnail you know what I'm talking about. So you know what? Let's go and check it out. That looks like a lot of fenders today. Look at what I found. The Crystal Suite, the next generation of business class suite offering to Turkish Airlines. Oh wow. I've seen this before last year during the Osaka Expo. Somehow in the Turkish kiosk, they have these seats for some reason, but now I finally get to see it in person. Look at this one. Beautiful stitching. I'm not sure about the Amenity kits will be facing to the airline or not, but look at this one. It's beautiful. Does this remind you a little bit of the Air India business class seat that was supposed to be delivered to Aeroflot, but then Turkish Airlines and also Air India took them? This one definitely looks a little bit like that too. Look at this one. So much space, so much interior space. And I think one of the things that really stands out to me is the large amount of space over here. Check this out. I'm just gonna quickly sit down over here. Now, this is the place where you can, there we go, the partition that you can lift up or down. This is very fancy. Now, I remember the one that from Air India, I had trouble with my elbow that was constantly hitting the button, but here I think they have addressed this. Now, look at this. Now, my elbow is gonna be here when I'm sitting down, so there's no way for me to elbow into the thing. And in fact, they have this little marble thing to prevent you from accidentally rolling your elbow down to press the button. So that's really good. I really like this one. And let's check out the tray tables. The tray table, you can just pull out like this. So I know this seat will be offering to Turkish Airlines, the new Crystal Suite.
Yes.
I did my homework, yeah. So just that, like, I think they are expecting to receive this one in next year or something.
Yeah, this June will fly.
Wow. And they're flying on their A350.
Yeah, flying.
1,000 or 900, do you know?
I think 900.
They're probably gonna use those planes to fly to Melbourne. Look at the interior, it's just beautiful. And you have some space here for the literature. And the space here is very reasonable too. Extra space right below the footrest and very decent width for the leg rest. All right, I'm gonna come out over here. Genuinely impressed with the next generation Crystal Suites. And take a look at the other configuration of the seats over here. So instead of having the panel near the window or near the middle area, you have it near the aisle instead. So some of the airlines actually make this very narrow, but here you can see that there's a lot of space here. That's really nice. I'm gonna give this a try to sit on later. Right now we're just like trying to close this area. Let's just take a look right now. Wow, look at this. Storage space, just as spacious as the seats we just looked at. Just like the previous seat, this is the one that you don't easily elbow your button into. That was quite annoying. And just like here, there we go. I do have to have more grip training. Look at this. Is this real marble? Real marble. Wow. It's very, very fancy. Now, even though it looks very close to the TV, but the TV is massive. I believe this is 23 inches TV screen, OLED, and crystal clear. How appropriate. It's called Crystal Suites. I can't wait to fly with them. They are going to be introduced to the airline about this summertime into their A350 planes. And shall we close the door to have a look? Very good. You close the door just like that. I'm going to try this to come in over here to close the door. Once you close the door, it looks like this. It can be fully closed. People obviously they can still peep into your suite, but if you're lying flat, you're gonna have a great sense of privacy over here. Very, very nice product, and I really love the contour over here as well. Very great product. And from what I was told just now, this will be the brand new amenity kit that will come along with the brand new seat as well. Wow, can I take this with me? Looks really cool actually, I really like it. Maybe I'll ask them later. And I believe this is the male version because there's another one here. Which one do you like more? I am gonna take this one if I have a choice. I'm gonna put this back. And every seat also come with this little space here to put some extra belongings. You know, when you are getting off the plane, you have something from the overhead bin. This is a space that you can put on. All right, how do you like the brand new Crystal Suites? I'm gonna be reviewing this product as soon as it comes out, hopefully. This is the brand new Crystal Suites coming to you this summer with Turkish Airlines. I'm gonna take a nap now, and hopefully when I wake up, I'll be on that plane flight somewhere. Right over here, you have the Thompson Aero Vantage Solo seats, featuring right now in Iberia as well as in JetBlue. Does this not look familiar to you? The JetBlue Mint Studio. Well, I think the configuration is a little bit different though, but still this looks so familiar. Now I want you to take a closer look over here compared to the one from Air Canada that I previously showed you. Now here's the good part. Delta recently announced their next generation of business class, which is called the Thompson Aero Vantage Nova suites. And you know what? I have it right behind me over here. This is the closer window seats. And this one over here, then that also includes the front bulkhead seats. So let's check out the one on the window first. Now, in case you don't know, the Vantage Nova seats come in two configurations. The reverse herringbone and also the herringbone seats. So Delta chose the reverse herringbone seats, which is the one over here where the seats face towards the window. All right, but because it is highly customizable, so some airline in the future, they might even choose to have the herringbone configuration, which is having the seats facing into the aisle. So I'm gonna give this a try first. Wow, I can smell the fresh leather, come on. And if you are with me, you can touch this surface. They chose a very good material over here. Goodness. And of course, Delta version is going to be slightly different because they have their customized storage space right over here. Delta will be the launch customer for this product. So this is the herringbone version. I'm going to go check out the reverse herringbone version now. So right over here is the reverse herringbone version where the seats face into the windows. So I'm going to go try this out very quickly. If you don't mind me, let me take a seat over here. Wow, this is very spacious. They have a storage space over here where there is some, let me show it to you. You see the mirror over here. There's some storage space over here for you to put some things, for example, your Amenity kits. And they also use a very nice soft finish over here, besides your jacket hook and also your TV screen that I believe is not gonna be able to adjust much. You can swivel it a little bit. You have something to hook on over here. I believe this is for the earphone. Universal power outlet, USB-C. Lots of space over here. Now, they don't have any area to put your shoes in, but you definitely have lots of space over here. Literature pockets. Even more space over here to put your water bottles. Now, let's check out over here, the tray table. I like this. Very nice design, like a stingray. And you are able to move back and move front. Very, very spiffy. And over here you have more power outlets. USB-C, USB-A, USB-C, universal power outlets, IFE remote control, and some additional space, which, like I said earlier, Delta is going to customize this area a little bit differently. It's been pretty comfortable, I have to say. And don't forget, you have your enclosed door here. The most important part of this new suite. I'm not sure, are you able to close it fully, but I assume that you will. But here's just a demo. So right over here, able to close it. Very nice looking here. I'm gonna check out the middle seats soon. All right, now I'm just gonna check out the Vantage Nova first section. I absolutely love the space over here. You can have your buddy sitting over here, and you can sit over here. Let me show you. Check out the space over here. Amazing storage space over here. You can put your Amenity kits. You can put your headphone over here. and all the miscellaneous things. And over here, also something. Airline might choose to put some literature over here as well. USB-C, USB-A, universal power outlet, and beautiful and smooth surface over here. Would you look at the space over here? Look at over here. There's so much more space, recessed lights, and this big area where you can have your dinner with your buddy or traveling companion. I believe you can put something as well, more charging ports. Even more. Oh, this is good. This is good. If your luggage is small enough, you might be able to fit in here as well. Judging by the size, it might fit into the 22 times 14 times 9 inches space. Very, very well done. And more space over here for the literature. Now I'm gonna test out the dining table over here. So let me see. So you open like this. And you flip it out. Actually, swivel it towards yourself first.
This is the top. This is
And then you open up just like that.
It's delivered already? No?
So you can swivel again.
You delivered it already or no?
not yet.
This is really good. So if you have a buddy over here, then you can be sitting together with you. I'm gonna show it to you. Now imagine I'm the buddy, okay? So I'm gonna sit right over here. Very comfortable as well. This is comfortable. So if your traveling companion sitting over here, facing your friend, you can dine together. And the table is definitely large enough for two person. For two people's meal, definitely. Actually, there's even more storage space over here that I forgot to mention. Lots of space. I'm looking forward to the next airline doing this Vantage Nova first class seats. That would be very, very good to see. So this is the Vantage Nova first class seats. Beautiful. And if you come over here, even though this is not first class, but just look at the amount of space you see over here. Wow. Amazing. If you think that's the end, it's not the end yet. So over here is the Vantage XL seat. That has been around for many years already. In fact, many airlines are already using this. But the thing is, it is very, very well suited for wide bodies like A330s. But when it comes to like wider wide body planes like the A350 and the 777, this might feel a little bit narrow. I think you might even recognize these seats in some airlines. For example, ITA, they are using these seats in the A330 Neo. Now, because of what I just said, they have come up with another seat that is called the Vantage XL Plus, that is more suited for wider wide body planes. So let me show you over here. Let's open the door. Wow, check this out. It's beautiful, isn't it? Let's close this one. This is the XL Plus. I would see some airlines like Virgin might be interested in having these seats over here. It is definitely more suited for wider wide bodies, 777, A350s, etc. Now, in fact, this seat is already been flying in the air. China Southern is the launch customer for this product, the Vantage XL Plus seats. I have never seen so many different versions of the Vantage series of seats. They have the Vantage Solo, Vantage XL, Vantage XL Plus, and also the Vantage Nova seats. Everything here. The whole collection is all fully displayed in this event over here. I really like them. I really like this one. Now, don't forget that they also have this OG Vantage seats. Remember Belgium Airlines, Brussels Air, or even back in the day, you have the Finnair, in the A330s, they have this kind of seats, the 212 configuration over here. You can sit in a couple over here, and then you have the throne seats. There you go, the throne seats. It's also a product of Thompson Aero. We are walking through memory lanes over here. This is amazing. And this is the bulkhead seats. We have checked out quite a few seats today. We have first of all, the Thompson Aero Vantage series of seats. I was really surprised and really loved the Thompson, this is such a long name, Thompson Aero Vantage Nova seats. Those are amazing. Delta has definitely picked a very good option for the new products. And then second, I also get to see the Crystal seats. The Crystal Suites offered by TCI is a subsidiary of Turkish Airlines. So they actually manufactured the seats by themselves. So that was really cool. And I get to experience that once again, the second time in fact. The first time was in Osaka Expo last year. And I have to say it was nicer than I remember. And then the last one, the Collins Aerospace Aurora suite, meant for the A321XLR planes, coming soon, offered by Air Canada. Really brilliant products. The manufacturer was working very closely with Air Canada, addressing many issues that were raised by many passengers from other airlines that have similar products. So I'm definitely very looking forward to fly that particular seat offered by Air Canada this coming summer. Anyway, so that is all the time I have. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. I will see you in the next one.